tutorial is, and in this video you are learning digital marketing, and under this digital marketing series you will learn how to create a blog or website in Wix.com. So let's search here Wix. As you know, Wix is very popular free website portal where you can create your website for free. You can also connect your existing website to this one, or else free is sufficient here. So just I will do this sign up, and then I will prefer to sign up this with Gmail ID. It's easier to remember as well. So I'm using this email ID and your email account. Okay, there is something wrong, so I need to use some other Gmail account. Why this Gmail ID? Let me use this email. That's working. So finally I'm logged in here. Okay, actually in that Gmail ID there was already one website set up. That's why I will use another one. Okay, so this email ID I'm going to use. Get started. It asks what kind of website are you creating. It's blog in my case. So simply blog. Just proceeding here. What would you what so would you like to call your website? So PHP training, simply I'll name it. Then I can also skip this. I can fill these details later also. And here it's asking, so I will select this, the first one. I'll rather click on this one. So start now. No, I selected that one. Let me go back. Choose a template. Okay, so I can select any one of these. So it's related to blog, fashion, it's education. So let me check here. Education blog. So in my case I will select this one, view. You can also preview how it will look like. So it's fine. Then click here, edit the site. So you will enter into the admin dashboard, from where you can add, update, delete the elements as per your requirement. Okay, so we are here now. When you click to publish here, this one, then it will ask you that what will be the name of your website. So the URL will be like this: myphpkolkata.wix.com php training, like this. Okay, all right, so it's fine. Now save it. Apart from that, if you have your own domain, then you can also connect from here, but it will be charged, not free. Okay, that means you are purchasing the hosting in this case, so it is chargeable. So I will select this free one, this option. So save and continue. It says your site is saved, and now it says that publish the site so that your user can see. Congratulations, your site is published and it's online. If you want to see, then click here and you can see. So this is my newly created blog, this one. As you can see, this is placeholder text. It contains placeholder text, so we need to replace it with or on. It's done. And there is also mobile site, so I'll do that later, but for the time being it's here. Then first thing that you need to do is you can see it's very flexible to edit. So if you click, then directly you can go here and see these are the menus. Okay, so click here and then you can edit. Double click, then home, about, so it will directly take you to the about section. And also you can change its name here. Just click here, then double click. And also you can change the link, then learning. So I can name it something other, contact, done. So these are the, apart from that, if you want to add your own page, then click there and then add page. Okay, okay, it asked me what will be the name of page, so I will name it courses. Then it's done. So once again, when I save it, then now if I will check publish now, if I'll check once again, then it's published. Sometimes it takes time to reflect the changes. Yes, so you can see courses, it came here in the top. If I want to bring this in the right side, in that case you can also drag and drop from here. This courses, if I want to bring in the extreme left or here, then again publish, done. In that case it will come here. So this way you can set up your menu. Now let's go to settings section. So under the settings there are a lot of options. Connect domain, we have already done that. Get mailbox, so these are primarily paid one. Fav icon, you can change. You can see here this is called fav icon, so it's currently showing Wix. You can also change if you have your own logo. Business information, this is important. You can write here about your blog or your company. So these are the settings that you need to change. This is published, site name. Here you can social image you can upload, and so you can change your site title from here. And then social icons, there are other details also you can change from here. So as you can see, the rest of the things are self-explanatory. You can change your address, your mobile number, phone number. So double click on this, or edit text. So whatever you want to change, you can change from here. Also, changing content, it's really very easy. Then after you have finished changes, you just click on publish, and it will be published your website.